basically like 5 hens in these small cages. I don't know how they move around.
Can you tell me what's happening in that photo?
It's a mama pig in this small weird area with a bunch of piglets around her.
It's like they're being held hostage.
Why do you say that?
Because they're all in like tiny little jails.
How do you think that makes them feel?
Sad. Non-cared for. And miserable.
So what's happening in that photo?
They're actually dirty and trapped.
How does that make you feel?
Sad.
They feel like they're not having a happy life and they really want to get out of that cage. And it's not good to treat any animal like that.
How would you feel if you were like 4 or 5 people in this small little cage? All you do is lay eggs for your owners, eat very little, and sleep.
And this is a big, big pig.
What's happening to that pig?
He's getting hurt.
How do you think that makes them feel?
Very angry.
How does that photo make you feel?
Really sad for them,
Why?
because chickens have lives too, not just people.
And all these chickens are trapped. Is that a good way? No.
Alright, do you want to look at the next one?
No.
Okay. And what would you say to her if you could talk to her?
I would say, don't worry, somebody's gonna get you out of there. Don't you worry. Your pigs will survive. They will hopefully not be in that situation. Don't worry.
Do you think it's okay to treat animals that way?
No,
Why not?
because they don't deserve it.